Welcome back, guys. So, in our series of Oracle, today we are going to talk about if you want to delete a user in Oracle and there are objects associated there, tables or roles, anything which is associated to your user, and you cannot delete those tables or roles which are associated to this user. So you can't drop the user actually in that case, and the user is left with your organization, or he is not working anymore. So what you can do, you can lock his account. You cannot drop it as there are tables, roles, profiles, those are associated to this user, but you can lock his account. So how you can do it, you can just set this account to lock, alter user username and account lock. You can do this. uh, by this the user will not be able to access database. This his account will be locked, and if he mm, joined back, or there's some reason you don't want him to access the database for few days, then after some time you can unlock his account as well with the alter user, the username of it, and account unlock. And first you can do account lock. With this he'll not be able to access the database. Okay. If you want I can show you. Okay. So we have created a user. Let me copy this. Let me first try to show you that we have a user. You see, we have a user, this one. So let's try to lock this user. Okay. The username is, see, the user is locked now. Now try to connect to our user. You see, account is locked. This user is not able to connect to the database. So what you can do, you can just unlock the user if that is required later. I'm just doing it to show you. But if you want to lock his account, he left the organization or by any thing, and you don't want to lose the objects created by him by using drop user cascade, you must not use that. Okay, so for that you can use alter user account unlock. Oh, I'm not connected. Okay, let me connect to. Okay, unlock. See, so now let's try to connect to our user. Oh, we are created. Thank you, we are connected. So that's your short video. Thank you, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.